In today's video, we're going to talk about why do customers ghost you? Or why does anyone ghost you? Like, what the hell is ghosting? And to be honest, I didn't know what ghosting was until I moved to US. I didn't learn this in school. And from all of you who don't know, I actually moved to US 11 years ago. I'm from Albania, a small country in Europe, next to Croatia, Italy, and so on. I moved to US only for love, and I didn't know what ghosting meant. I didn't read it. I mean, I know what a ghost is, but I didn't read it on books. I didn't read it on social media because I guess like we didn't even have a word for people that do that in Albania. So when I started getting ghosting messages from friends or from coworkers or from customers, I had to like literally research like, why is this happening? Like, is there anything that I can do to improve this? Is there anything that someone can do to improve ghosting, especially from the customer? Hi everyone, this is Marsilda. I'm the founder of Expand to Market. We are here to help business owners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and anyone actually that wants to learn more about social media, sales strategy, and how to grow their business online. Before I can continue, I would love to know, where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and tell me which state or country you're watching this video. Number one reason someone is ghosting you is 100% because they don't want to confront you for something that makes them uncomfortable. So let's assume one of your friends does something, lies to you, or did something behind your back, and they know you know. So instead of like just coming, up front and tell you, hey, like this is not good what you did, they usually will just ghost you. And here you are scratching your head like, did I do something wrong? Was it my fault? Was it their fault? But honestly, it's not your fault. They just ghost you because they don't want to confront you. So apparently you guys were hearing a lot of the noise from my leather pants. I apologize for that. I didn't realize it until I had to watch the previous clip. And since I'm here, I thought, hey, let me also make some coffee. So my go-to sometimes is an instant coffee mixed with a cappuccino mix. I usually literally put the two together. I mix them good. And it gives me like that Italian taste. I really miss the Italian coffee that I used to drink in Albania, macchiato, or one on, and then all I do is like add oat milk or whole milk. It just helps with the taste and no sugar. So much better. Where was I? Yes, ghosting. So one of the reasons why customers do the same is they don't want to confront you because of various reasons. Maybe what you told them is not what they were expecting, or maybe you weren't clear enough. Maybe they don't have the right budget right now. Maybe this is not the right timing for them. They have other goals or other priorities for them to take care of. So of course, instead of just telling you no, because maybe they're not sure, they'll probably just end up not replying or completely ghosting you. Now, maybe you even were too aggressive and like this is something that is bothering them. This is like something maybe you need to also see, the way how you communicated to these clients. Like, was there anything that maybe you did wrong or you weren't clear? This is something that unfortunately not always is in your always able to know the reason. That's why on your email communications, the follow-up, you need to not be as pushy, but also set some type of urgency and letting you know, like, hey, customer, in case, I'm just bringing this up to your email in case you missed it. Are you still interested? Or is, let's say, marketing, like let's say if you're offering them marketing services, is this service still on your priority goal for the next 2 months? Like, if it is so, please let me know when you can jump on a call to review, let's say, the business proposal, or to review the way how we work with your company to see if this is something that will work best for you, or if we're the right fit for your company, or if this is the right time. So basically, you're almost like making it easy for them that if one of those 2-3 things might be the reason why they're ghosting you, they'll make it easy to be like, yeah, you're right, this is not the right time, or yeah, you're right, I wasn't sure 100% if you're the right fit because your message wasn't clear, or I had a question. That's why you always say, like, if there's any questions, anything at all that I can help, let me know. Okay, Marcy, I get it. They ghost me. Now what? Like, what can I do differently, maybe to even prevent this? So one way is assume like he's actually a customer. He's not just a prospect. Make sure you have those bi-weekly or monthly check-ins. Even though there's not much to discuss, even if it's like 20-minute review to see how things are going, answer any questions, tell them the next steps, what you've been doing. So it doesn't look like the customer just paying you and you kind of like, we're off the grid. Even if it's something like every 3 months, to do like a really executive review or bring them for lunch to discuss next topics. If you do get ghosted, don't take it very personal, because you never know what the other person is going. Maybe the other person is on vacation. Maybe the other person there has too much in his or her plate to even respond to you, or they just don't have the bandwidth. But still keep it on their mind without pushing it so hard. Maybe at least once a week. If you see they're ghosting once a week, and maybe message them on LinkedIn and be like, hey, in case you missed my email, I'm not sure if they're going to spam, but this is what I'm asking. Give them some flexibility. Give them some type of maybe urgency. The example of urgency can be, hey X, I'm almost getting booked for the next 2 weeks. I won't be having any availability. So if you're still considering to review X, Y, and Z, or considering to make this your priority, let me know to see if there's any spots left.
This is your last chance.
Otherwise, won't be able to talk to you for the next forever, 2 or 3 weeks. Or if you're going on vacation, you can let them know, hey, by the way, I won't be available. So if this is something that you're still considering, this is still your priority in your business, make sure you let me know when is your best time of day to jump on a call. Another way is you're trying to close the contract, or if it's coaching, if it's like a service you're offering. One way is to let them know that, by the way, I'm not able to accept any more clients. I know, I changed places again because my kids keep finding me where I go and hide.
They found me. I don't know how, but they found me.
But anyway, another way of you setting some type of urgency with your client is letting them know that, by the way, starting next month, I'm not able to accept any more clients as I'm trying to wrap up my team or resources and whatnot. So if you're still considering, please let me know at least 2 weeks in advance, so I can make sure if I need to hire anyone new and so on. And this is something true for everybody, because you cannot just expect 5 clients at once if you don't have the right resources, right? It depends on if you're a one-person employee or you have other employees that help you with certain services. So this also sets them some type of expectation. And the most important part is let go. Let them go. After a while, you have to have some type of respect for yourself, I feel. If, okay, you keep reaching out to them, you keep reminding them, you reach out on different platforms, letting them know, by the way, if you missed my email or my message here, and they're still ghosting you, and that maybe they saw your email, because there's tools out there, or they saw your message, but they're just completely ignoring you, you should just accept that they don't feel comfortable telling you no, so they chose the easy way out to just ghost you. And you should be able to just let go and move on.